Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness, and I am Shaiju Balagopal, your fitness trainer. Alright, what we're going to cover today is your limbs. You're going to do the upper limb. So you're going to do your triceps, biceps, forearms, brachii, your wrist. That's what we're going to do. It's quite an intense, large number of exercises, but we're going to concise it to a smaller number from yesterday's exercise. So they did chest yesterday, if you really know it. We didn't take the video though. Okay, so they did chest, so they've been using their triceps. So it'll be very difficult for them to start with a push-up now. So they're going to do that. So the first exercise which they're going to do is more of the body weight exercises. A couple of them will come with body weight. Then they'll move into a weighted training, which is going to be more of a hypertrophy training. And then, you will see that they're moving into different muscles, right? So the long head, the short head, the triceps, long head, short head, then the brachioradialis, then the wrist. So there's quite a lot. So there are about 8 exercises non-stop. We won't be able to cover the abs today, but watch it till the end, how we start from here till here, completely working out each and every muscle, right? Now, what things which you need to be careful about is how you hold the form, okay? Despite the fact you're just using your limbs, hold your core, be stable. Don't swing your arm when you're doing a loading. This is called concentric loading, and there's eccentric for the biceps. And at the same time, you're having your triceps also loaded here. When you push it back, you're concentric loading your triceps, and this is an eccentric loading. Now, that being said, every muscle will have that, but see that you contract and expand the muscle which you're concentrating. Put your mind into it and work the muscle really well, and see what you need to do in every individual exercise. Watch it till the end. Exercise which you're going to do is going to be on the floor, right? You're going to do a normal push-up. Okay, so what you're going to do is keep your hands just palm width. All right, so I've just put 2 thumbs in between, and I'm going to go in a triceps push-ups like that. Take your elbow behind and bring it down and up. Bring it down and up. All right, so that's what you're going to take it all the way down and come up. Okay, now if you're not able to do a full body plank push-up, put your knees down and then go down all the way. Right? That's the first exercise. You're going to do 20 into 2. That's what it is. Alright guys, the next exercise, what we're going to do is on the TRX. Okay, so what we're going to, again, the body weight exercise, as I told you, the first couple of exercises is going to be body weight. You're going to be in the reverse plank position. Alright, so from there, okay, drop your elbow down. Come on. So what you're going to do, and you're going to go, retain the plank. If you can come this side, you can see that. Come this side. So retain your hip in the plank position and hold your elbow to your head and then keep going. Right? That's what you're going to do. Do it. Alright guys, you would have seen the previous exercise. There were 2 versions of it. The women went on a pole because the instability of the TRX caused them to move, and they had to flex their butt to get that forward movement. instead if you can tighten the core and go down, that works better. So the last, what you saw SK doing is that, tightening the core and going, even doctor did that. So that's what you need to follow. But if you're not able to do, hold the pole, go down, straight, keep your core tight, recline a little bit on the inclination, and then just start off doing it. So the next exercise, what we're going to do is a triceps kickback. So hold the dumbbell on the top, right? Put your leg forward so that you don't have, now line from the feet to the shoulder is one straight line, and you hold the dumbbell to the 90 degrees, then kick it back to the line of the body, right? So do that. Why are we doing this angle? You have to engage the core if you do this. So keep kicking back and tighten your triceps at the topmost, and if you have to, you can even tighten your forearm, right? So that's what you're going to do next. 10 into 4. Take a good considerable amount of weight. I've taken a light one to just demo it. So take a considerable amount of weight and do it. Alright guys, you've seen the triceps kickback, and that's a very engaging exercise on your triceps. Now we're going to go for the long head. Now get a dumbbell, okay, and then get your arm up and drop it sideways like that, and bring it up. Okay. So kick back like that. Take a moderate weight, not a very heavy one. Okay. Lock your triceps and then bring it down slowly. Watch out for your head. So be careful and do the form right. Keep the elbow high. If you need to lock it with your ears, do that so that you can, control the arm swinging away or swinging in. So that's one thing you can take care of. Right? Watch the form and do it correctly. Be careful about it. Take a moderate weight. Don't take a heavy one for this one. You can step it up if you're able to do it, right? So 10 into 4 again. So that's the same number which you're going to cross. So 40 numbers. You're going to moderate between 20 into 2 or 10 into 4, depending on what exercise you're doing, all right? Good. We were doing triceps till now, right? So we're going to move right in front. So we're going to do the biceps first. So now, oops, that's the weight. Okay. Now what are you going to do? You're going to hold the dumbbell on top, right? The function of the biceps is pronation and supination. The supination and pronation. So that's what the function of the biceps. You can see that, right? When I'm not even carrying a weight, when I turn this goes up. And it tightens up. You can see that? So that's what you're going to do. So that's the main function of the biceps than loading it like this. So what you're going to do is hold it in a suitcase position. Okay, the suitcase hold. Then from there, roll your arm in and get the pinky to the face when you come right up. So you can see that biceps is tightened up. Then bring it down again into the suitcase hold. So turn it in. So keep your elbow where it is and start swinging in one after the other. So each hand, you're going to do 15 into 3 and take a considerable amount of weight where you can do about 12 to 15 reps. You get loaded so much so that you can do at least 12 and max of 15. That's what we need to do. Good. exercise, we'll be watching the biceps curl, so the short head of the biceps and the brachii inside. Okay, so that's what we're concentrating on. Now we're going to turn the biceps like this, go into an external and do the long head. Okay. Watch out this exercise, don't lift a heavy one, try to moderate with a lower weight, okay, or medium weight. Don't go on a heavy one, and start learning the exercise first. The pinky to the face still goes on, from the suitcase hold, the pinky to the face, that still goes on, and then you keep crushing your biceps, the long head. Do it. 15 into 3. We have reached the last exercise, and thanks for watching till the end. And if you've been watching this exercise till now and you appreciate exercise like this, please do write to us. This is the number you need to write, and ask any questions and we'll be able to help you out. And the last exercise again is hitting the forearm, and what you're going to do is going to hold the plate like this and then lift it up. Okay? Lift it up, drop it. Lift it up, drop it. You're going to work the brachii. You can see that working up, right? And the full forearm works really well. Try this out, 15 into 3, and try to do it till the end. So watch them do it. The workouts still, they are doing it already. So you will be watching them do it. And share, like, subscribe, and tell your friends and ask them if they have any questions. You can write to us, right? See you in another video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.